Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. Well, today we're going to do a couple unbaggings. One of them I already took out of the package because, well, it just was really hard. I couldn't get my address off of it, or cover it up. So I already took it out, but I haven't looked at it. And this was from the pin I told you about that I won from the, I won the buy for handmade pins. It was on a Facebook group that I recently got added to. And it was, I'm going to give you the name of it right now. I'm looking it up. I want to give you the full name. Custom Diamond Painting Pins by TJ. And I met TJ's wife on another group, another diamond painting group. So anyhow, I met her, and her husband had made a couple super duper cool looking pins for her. And I had complimented her on how beautiful they were, told her she should probably think about selling them because they were really, really nice. And they started the Facebook group. Not too long after that, everybody in the group was all over, like, wanting them to sell them because they were so pretty. Anyhow, I won this one. And she included a single placer and a multi-placer. I honestly am not sure. I know that's probably like a 6 or maybe a 9 placer. And holy smokes, y'all, this thing is, I'm talking gorgeous. Holy crap, that is so pretty. I don't even know if it's picking up all the different colors. It's like a jade almost. It has like almost opal looking in here, and then the wood. This thing is gorgeous. Holy moly, look at this. Oh wow, that is a beautiful pin. You'll be seeing me use this one super soon for sure. Look how pretty this is. Wow. So that's like stabilized wood, and then the acrylic or resin that they use for it. I know I'll be buying more from them for sure. That thing is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I also have this one over here. And this was something that I mentioned in my other video as well. And I had said these trays that I got were really awesome, and that I ordered a couple more because I want to do this with a giveaway with some patty wax and super sticky patty wax. And I will go over all the details on that really soon, and get that going so you guys know exactly how to do the giveaway, or you know what I need for the giveaway. So these are I got the purple glitter 3D printed tray, and I also got the pink one, and then they include the stoppers, and it is the JH Envision Labs on Etsy. So I'll also include the link and everything to that, but one of those is going to go in the giveaway. I might actually just let you pick what color you want between the two. I'm not quite sure yet, but the details are coming really soon. I think I'm going to do a video tomorrow about those, and then let you know exactly how to do it. So I'll be posting that shortly too. And then I did order several diamond paintings over the course since I started diamond painting a few months ago and got super into it. And so I have no idea what this one is, so we're going to find out together. So in this one, I have a tray, the little green tray, the tweezers, pink wax, and regular one with a 3 placer. And then this, I don't even remember where I ordered this from. I'll have to get all the details for you so I can get that going as well. When I post the video, all the links will be in there. And just by the colors alone, I already know which one this is. It is going to be a double-sided adhesive because it has the opaque paper covering it, so it's not poured glue. It is on a foam roller, and it looks like it might have gotten a little bit crunched in the process. And I ordered this one in the first couple days of April. I'll post all the details in the video. Hold on one second while I open this. So here's all the drills. It is square. I'm going to show you the image of what it is. And there you go. It's the firefighter painting. Gosh, I wish I could remember the name of the place. I'll get it for you, I promise, but it's driving me nuts right now. So my youngest son, who just turned 18, is actually pursuing a career in the fire department. So I had ordered this one to commemorate that. So I'm going to go through all the drills, make sure I have everything, and I'll make sure I let you guys know in this video, in the description box, if I received everything I was supposed to. And it is taped. It does look like it's pretty bent up in certain spots, so, you know. So it's got a lot of wrinkles and looks like it might have some rivers, but I'm not sure. It's a 30 by 30. This canvas looks like it has seen better days. I've seen way worse canvases though from unboxing, so I know this isn't the absolute worst one. I'm just trying to show you guys the symbols. They're pretty clear. The adhesive is really sticky. It does not go out very far at all on this side, but it goes pretty far to about right there on this, so on that end. I kind of want to get this up so that way I can get it to straighten itself out. So if you are new to diamond paint, this canvas is just looks like it's just a kind of a big mess right there. I did end up getting the symbols of heroism from Diamond Art Club, like in the beginning as well. So I don't even know if this is going to be worth it to try and do. Who knows? We'll see. So if you're new and you haven't been diamond painting, or you don't know like kind of some of the tips and tricks, one of the things is when you get something with double-sided adhesive, if it is completely rolled up like this, if you want to be careful so you don't create any more problems than they can already have sometimes, is if you gently get this opaque paper up without causing too much of a problem. And yeah, see, look at how many bubbles and creases and rivers that are in here. So if you pull this up and you're gentle about it and you do like nice and slow and lay it back down, it pretty much straightens out the canvas. So it pretty much fixes all the problems with it, which is great. It's good to be able to do it. Personally, I have found out that I definitely prefer to have poured glue. I haven't tried mounted glue yet, but I do have a order from Treasure Studios Art. It's coming, and I'll be super excited to try that one as well. But so far I'm a huge fan of poured glue. Double-sided adhesive isn't the preferred, like my preference, I'm not knocking it because I've seen some beautiful work. Just I personally would choose poured glue over double-sided adhesive if I had a choice. If there is an image that is only sold somewhere that does double-sided adhesive, I would still buy it as long as I know that the company does a good job and that they have good work. So it's just my preference. So I got the trays, I got the Fireman's diamond painting, and I got this beautiful pin. I am just obsessed. God, Emily, you and TJ, this is amazing. I am really, really, really impressed with this one. So good job, guys. Thank you so much. I hope that other people start buying more pens from you guys, and you guys can keep on doing this because these are amazing. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, and you want to see more videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you can be notified whenever I post new videos. I hope you guys all have a great night. Bye.